Hi everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of Reebok C85 shoes. Enjoy. I ordered these directly from Reebok.com and it only took less than a week to arrive in the mail. These FedEx today. And all the product reviews shared that for this sneaker you need to order a half size up. So I'm normally a 7.5 medium, and I ordered an 8 in these shoes. Alright. So as you can see, these are in the white, light gray, and gum. And they're good, they call them tennis shoes. But I'm going to use these for my everyday out and about. I wanted a white shoe specifically to go with anything I'm wearing and something that was comfortable. So I wanted it in a sneaker. Now, I normally order on my Reeboks when I go to the outlets, but I didn't have time to visit the outlet this year, and I found this online, and I didn't know if my outlet was going to carry it, so I went ahead and purchased this. This was $75, and it was void of any coupon or discount. So just know that when you go to order these, they're both the right size, and they look, I'll try them on, they look really nice. Overall, I like this shoe and I'd highly recommend it. If you're into a sneaker that's going to match with anything that you're wearing, I recommend the Club C85 tennis shoe from Reebok. It's a comfortable sneaker. Now the fit, I'm wearing a slim fitting sock, so my heel was sliding around slightly. That'll be fixed when I wear a more cushioned sock. So I would highly recommend. Hope you get out there and purchase a Reebok C85 tennis shoe.